Let's review some tips with Mark.
You take that and go like that, it's called a half knot. And what you'll do is slide it over and just pull it tight. Hold one end, do another half knot, slide it over, pull it tight. Now at the end, it's called be a friend, leave an end. Pull the tape down like that and pull it off. This way there's always an end you can see to rip it off instead of sitting here going like this, trying to look for which way the guy's taped. So be a friend, leave an end. That's it. So if you already have an existing string on there, you can just cut it off, leave yourself a tail. And then to join two strings, you simply hold them together. And bam, you're ready to go. Approximately 12 to 18 inches apart. Dixie standard is 18. That's how your numbers should look. You want to put identifiers under them. 6 and 9 look a lot alike. How am I supposed to know which way it is? Also, give 2 swipes on the back. When you're looking for numbers on the cable, it's got sides, so you might pass over it. But if you see those 2 stripes, there's your number.